Hi, this is just a reminder video on how to close folders. I know all of our folders do need to be closed today, at least for the high school, so I wanted to show you how to do that. Do not just hide your folders, because if you hide something, it takes it out of the gradebook. Here is two different ways that you can close your assignments that are in your gradebook. So let's say we're coming here to this test. The first way that you can close an assignment is to go to Gradebook and uncheck the Allow Late Submissions. That again is the first way. Going into the activity or assignment, go to Gradebook and uncheck Allow Late Submissions. The other way that you can close an assignment, let me load my gradebook here. Ignore all my things I have in here to grade. If I come over here to an assignment like this Unit 4 test, I can click on it here and I can click the word stop. That will do the exact same thing. It will remove that allow late assignments. So those are the two ways that you can close assignments. Again, do not hide assignments, because hiding them, which means clicking on the little eyeball here and hiding it, takes it out of the gradebook. Anything inside this folder is now no longer in the gradebook. So do not hide your folders. You need to go through and actually do assignment by assignment. Either again, click the pencil, gradebook, and uncheck this Allow Late Submissions, or go to the gradebook and click that Stop button. Hope that helps. Thanks.